Okay, so in case what happened is that when I tried to install the Ubuntu, what happened is that it didn't even ask me any sort of settings, it just installed. So in that case what happened is that we didn't get the privilege to write our own password, and it somehow just bypassed that. And in that, and if this sort of case might happen with you, what you have to do is to just go to the terminal, type the su, and over there you just have to give the password which you have given already in the while you know you were installing the virtual machine. And after that all you have to do is to apt install sudo. It will install the sudo in case if sudo is not there, and if in case the sudo is not updated. So all you have to do that, and after that you just have to once it's got upgraded, nothing is to be there. And then all you have to do is to user mode ag add the sudo, and then after your username, whatever the username you might currently have, and then all you have to do is to reboot or the restart. Either you can do it from here, or maybe you just go and do a restart. That's it, just restart it, and hopefully afterwards we'll be able to resolve this resolution problem if it might be happening with you, or else you didn't even need it that much. So it's now currently rebooting. You can have like do with multiple other options, and we'll try to do it update the resolution. Let's just get restart and we'll see. So while it's restarting, let's see that we'll be able to change our resolution or not. So it has restarted, and let's see. Change me was the password. Bye. And hopefully we'll able to get login, and after that let's try to change the resolution, because we don't want to work in this much of a small resolution. We have like a lot of space which are getting wasted. So let's try to open now terminal, and let's see. There's this command. You're getting used to it, because I never have faced this problem but like now today it's the very first time I came across this problem. It's sudo and there is terminal. Let's open it and let's try to do some command thing, and we'll explain everything that what is going on here. So sudo, what sudo means I'll explain. Wait. So install, and then we have to we are working in our VirtualBox, so VirtualBox is here, and I think hopefully it's a guest account. So let's see if this is gonna work or not. Change me. Now it's working. The sudo is not taking. Okay, fine. Now I have to again see it, like what's going on. Just wait. Let's try to I don't know, maybe let's try to do this. Will it work? Okay, again like there is problem. Okay, I have to, maybe is it guest or not? Okay, so I think let's try to exit from here. I'm gonna do Control F, and let's try to do some settings. And before that, let me just shut down my machine, and we'll see what might happen after the restart. Let's go to the setting. Let's try to change some settings regarding the display. Let's try to change it to how about this VGA SVGA. I don't know, let's see. Maybe enabling the 3D acceleration. Invalid setting detected. This, I don't know, let's try. Will it work? That would be something crazy to see. I don't know. Let's just get boot up meanwhile. Okay, so my machine is like restarted. Let's see, it didn't change. Maybe we'll try to change it from the inside. Let's try to do that, because I remember that might also work. Change me the password, and let's try to do it from the settings, because man, like these sort of problems just arises all the time. I know you're working, and even after working so many times, like look, today I got stuck again. So let's try to change it. Was able to get the sudo privileges, but this is something which is creating some problem. Let's see. It was having some disabling here. I'm just like looking into it, like why it is there. Let's try to have a look that where is our display. Can we do it from inside? B. Oh, it worked fine. Oh, okay. That was something. Offer noted. Okay, so our display is now working. Let's see, do I have more than that? Let's see, 14 and hopefully, yep, apply. Why it went so, bro? This is so wide. No way. Like that happened. Like how could it revert it? Keep changing. Now it's working fine. Yeah. Let's see. I think it's a little bit more. And how about doing Control F? Let's try to switch. And let's see that the setting is working on. I have to change a little bit more. And this is not working. That's a little bit more. I think this is the setting. I think it would work. Now where is the apply? Apply. Yeah, keep changing. Fine, it's working. Okay. Okay. God, I was just so that was just so noob me. I wasn't able to do so. Okay, we inside our Ubuntu now. It's working fully fine. A little bit slow because of my hardware, but fine, it's working. Computer name is Ubuntu English. You can even change it from here, but don't worry, don't do it. That's fine. And now everything seems to be working. Now we can even go to our terminal. We can do our task here quite easily. And hey, just look, it's working. And forget about it, that is happening because of a little bit of my slow machine, and I have the settings done. So if I just reduce the settings to bro, don't do too much of these updates, man. Just pause. Yeah. So if I do if I reduce it to, maybe it's not able to handle that much of resolution, but what can I do is trying to reduce it 1920 by 180. I think this might work. Keep changes. I think this is much better. The machine could now handle it easily. Yeah, you can see that is happening because my machine could not handle it, and I have a very big monitor which was working with my gaming machine, but now gaming machine is not with me. So fine, now finally we are now able to hear. And who am I? That's how the first command. Like it seems to be working fine. So in the next video I think we'll start it and getting into of the Linux internal, and we'll try to understand the architecture on the top level, and we'll try to start using these commands, get familiar with, and these sort of problems. You learn it, I learn it again. It's been a while. That was such a silly mistake I was doing, but yeah, that's what it is. I don't edit my videos, so whatever the problem or whatever the things which you're seeing right here, that's what in general happens with programmers. So that's it. Let's see into the next